Okay, so I figured I'll show you guys some of my drawings that I made so far. I kind of want to fill out this whole entire sketchbook of different drawings. Oh my god, there's like the construction people out here making noise when I'm trying to do a video. Oh my god. Guys, I think I should move. He's trying to fix the gate, but yeah. This is a drawing of Flounder. And I'm gonna show you guys a couple more things. An iPhone that I drew. I know it's a little big, but you know, I tried. And also, hold on. I'm trying to do a video. I'm trying to film. Anyways, I drew Stitch from Lilo and Stitch. Yeah, this one took some time. This one I watched a video on how to do it, but I still sketched it out myself, so yeah. The previous ones that you've seen, I literally just looked at a picture and just tried to draw it myself. So yeah, I like to draw. When I was younger, I used to draw like fashion designing, like dresses and models, things like that. So I think I want to start get back into that, doing. I can't speak right now, but I think I'm gonna try to get into that whole hobby thing again, because I really kind of miss that part of me. So yeah. And then I drew Olaf. So yeah, I'm gonna see if I have any more. Yeah, so I drew Ariel from The Little Mermaid. And don't come for me for her eyes, how her eyes looks, because I literally tried my hardest to draw her, so yeah. Let's see. I'm trying to see what else to draw. Let's see. I know I have more. I'm just trying to figure out where they're at. Oh, okay. So I think I should start from here. It's gonna take some minutes here. I drew, I've showed a snippet of this, but I drew the Jamaican flag. So big up Jamaica. Yeah. And you guys probably seen this before, but I think I deleted the video, but I drew this by myself, fingers and hands, handmade. I did it all by myself. So yeah, guys. What else? Oh, I drew a mermaid sail. Yeah. And also, drew Cinderella from Cinderella movie. So yeah, I didn't realize, like, I knew that, like, I had a talent of drawing, but, like, I feel like, to me, it's not, well, I don't want to be negative, but I didn't see it as, like, an artist, like, type of drawing, if that makes sense, like, professionally, if that makes sense. Yeah. So I mean, it's not that bad for me to look at something and draw it. It's really not bad, but I'm proud of myself. Let's see. And I kind of sketched out Mickey, but I didn't finish his ears. So yeah. I don't know if this is gonna be a part 2 or be put in the same vlog, but thank you guys for commenting, and subscribing to my channel, and click that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I drop a video. And yeah, thank you guys so much.